The Lion and the Mosquitoes. Once upon a time in a forest, there lived a lion. Now, this lion was the king of the forest. Because of that, the lion had grown too proud of his strength. He would go about thinking nobody could beat him. One day, after a meal, he decided to take a quick nap. After finding a tree with good shade, he yawned and stretched. He saw a mosquito buzzing by. Oh, how glad I am to be a lion. Unlike these mosquitoes, I am strong. These mosquitoes are so small and easy to crush. And that is why they keep running away. He lay down wondering that. One of the mosquitoes happened to hear this, and the mosquito was not happy about this. The mosquitoes were vexed and decided to confront the lion. You may be strong, but do not underestimate us. We may outmatch you and your strength, they told the lion. But the prideful lion did not hear any of it. Silence! You forget your place. What can you puny beings do to me? There is no way you can beat me. So, the mosquitoes decided to teach the lion a lesson he would remember for a lifetime. The mosquitoes swarmed the lion and beat him all over. Whenever the lion ran away, the mosquitoes followed him. The poor lion became weak and could not fight them off. Then he started begging to be left alone. Please, he cried, let me go. I wasn't making fun of you. Neither was I mocking you. Please let me go. The mosquitoes looked at the lion and left him because he could not fight back anymore. Remember this for the rest of your life. Don't look down on others. Do not boast about your strength or wisdom.